Alright, this is a short. Let me just go to Epic Play. And just wait for this loading. For now, oh wait, actually there we go, There's your wondering, yes, this is my first ever short. And no, I'm not gonna fixing to make more shorts in one day, right? Just don't let go of any. Just let go. No! Not high score though. My goal here is to get a high score. I need the best at. Alright. I need to make a part 2 tomorrow. Anyways. Bye-bye. After this one. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.